Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the type of the drawing tool on the Krita application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the brush presets section on the right side of the screen and tap to the erasers button, and here you can find different types of drawing tools: digital, ink, paint, pixel art, RGB, sketch, textures and favorites. Select one and just step on it, and here you can find for example new brushes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.